Hi, my name is Ivan.
And my name is Tammy.
And welcome to Walla News. First up, we have acknowledgements with Trevon and Arnold, and I'll hand you over to them now.
What's your name?
Amanda,
And why are you acknowledged?
for my drawing and artistic skills.
Outstanding job. Keep up the great work.
What's your name?
Teresa.
And why were you acknowledged?
For being the boss of my learning.
What a great job you've done. Hi, what's your name?
Silvania.
And why were you acknowledged?
For listening carefully and for follow instructions.
Hi, what's your name?
Benjamin,
And why are you acknowledged?
I was acknowledged for being kind in the yard.
Good job. Keep up the great act of kindness.
Now we will have a weather report with Ashley. Take it away, Ashley. Thanks, hello and welcome to Walla News. I'm Ashley Johnson with the weather. So on Friday it will be rainy, cloudy, and it'll be a low of 12 and a high of 19. That's not very warm at all. Better not forget your raincoats. Thanks and bye.
Next up, the school leaders will be getting a badge from Miss Doney and Mrs. Williams. But don't lose them and keep them safe.
Today is an important day and a day that's been long awaited. When you elected these leaders, we interviewed them as the school leadership team. They were very proud and very excited about being the school leaders. This year has been different to other years and a bit disappointing in that we haven't been able to do assemblies and lots of things. However, I believe that brave leadership is taking the risk to step out into the unknown and think about how you will do things differently and taking that chance. And even though not a great deal, because we've been getting used to coping with the COVID virus, you have done assemblies online, which has never been done before, and done it well, I might add. And I think that your influence has been seen through the things that you have filmed for the children. And be very welcome, because it's a year where we've needed to support one another and to show that bravery and that risk-taking. And I'm very proud of you, and even though you haven't done assembly every Friday, I think you've shown that. And I think the grade sixes, when we look at the participation, that what you've done this year has shown leadership, and you don't have to have a badge to be a leader. It needs influence and a good influence on other people, and I couldn't be prouder of you, all of you, for what you have done. But today's to get recognition for the children that you elected, and so I'll ask Mrs. Williams to call the names, and I'm going to have the important thing of doing this instead of shaking hands, but I'll give you your badges, okay? So congratulations. I'm sorry it wasn't the year that you anticipated, but it's still been a good year. And it's a year you won't forget, I can tell you, ever. So hopefully we won't have to go through it again, but it'll hold you in good stead. All right. And doing graduation online too, I hear. The little bird told me, so fantastic. All right. Thank you, Mrs. Williams. I'll let you do the reading and I'll do the putting on.
Oh, you've got a very important job, Mrs. Williams. Let's start with Trevon.
Ah, Trevon.
Come on down, Trevon.
Give him a big... Oh, yes. Oh, I can't shake your hand. That sounds very strange.
Arnold.
Arnold, well...
Talon. Isma.
Get it on there. Ivan's going to be the next 60 Minutes reporter that's come from Colorado. Fantastic.
Stephanie. Kiana. Cara. And Ashton.
And so these the last four are the school captains and vice captains that you voted. So congratulations to those people. If they could step forward, we'll have Trey. and Ashley. And the captain's Tammy. Where are you, Tammy? And Tony. Well,
Can I tell you something just between you and me? When I hear your voice, I know I'm finally free. Every single word is perfect as it can be, and I need you here with me. When you lift me up, I know that I'll never fall. I can speak to you by saying nothing at all. Every single time I find it harder to breathe, 'cause I need you here with me. Every
Happy World Teacher's Day!
3.
Happy World Teacher's Day! Happy World Teacher's Day! Happy World Teacher's Day! World Teacher's Day!
I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me. I think I see your face in every place that I go. I try to hide it, but I know that it's gonna show. Every single night I find it harder to sleep, 'cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me.
Come on, Ayaan, come on!
Beautiful.
All right, you can let go now.
I love